Hey guys, it's Christina with Vacations Yes and Pikachu. She's upset because she was asleep in her little basket I keep on the desk and she would like to go back in the basket. So yeah, we will give it just a minute for everybody to start getting the notifications about the live. Oh, look, we're starting to have some people seeing the live. Awesome. I'm Christina with Vacations Yes, and this is Pikachu, my furry co-host. And we are doing a really awesome live tonight. Would you stop being so squirmy? So yeah, we are going to go live tonight with Jacob at Parrot Mountain, and I can see that he is ready, so let me just go ahead and get him in here. See a parrot? What do you think? All right.
What's going on?
Right.
Oh, I'm gonna turn my volume up. Got George here with me today. Say hi, George. Say hi. Yeah. George loves the camera.
He's just going to take up all the shot. He's like, hold on.
I know. He's gonna hog it all up. He was sitting on my shoulder, then I turned the camera on, and you got down here.
Only he can be on camera tonight. That's his rule.
Yeah, I know. He's the star of the show.
Awesome. Well, hi, Jacob.
How you doing?
Right. To have George here with us as well. Good to see him.
You trying to hog the camera, man? No. What? He's talking. No, don't look away from the camera. Now look, George, over here. George, look. He said hello. I don't know if you can hear him or not. He's very soft-spoken. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I can hear you a little bit. You're kind of cutting out a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, there you go. I hear you better now.
Okay. I shifted my phone over, so hopefully it's blocking the microphone.
Yeah, I think it was blocking, yeah.
All right, awesome. Well, so Jacob, how long have you been with Parrot Mountain?
I've been here my whole life because, me and my family, we started the business, so I've been in it my whole life for 6 years.
Wow, that is awesome.
It is. It's a long time.
It was just there. It's always been there for you, and you've always had all these birds.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. So the full name for Parrot Mountain, it's not just Parrot Mountain, right? It's Parrot Mountain and Garden of Edens.
Yes, that's correct.
How did you guys come up with?
Well, you see, the name gets it from is you walk around the park, you got all the beautiful flowers and plants and the tropical birds. And you get it from the plants because there's so many tropical plants, and it just reminds you of the Garden of Eden. I know you can't really have a picture of the Garden of Eden because it was way back then, but we think if it were to have a picture, it'd be something like this because it's just so beautiful. The foliage here, it's knockout. Like when you come up here, if you were to just wake up at Parrot Mountain, you wouldn't even think you're in Tennessee. You would think you're somewhere else. So it gets the name from the tropical foliage.
That is great, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It just keeps changing. Just like, what is that?
I know. You go back to the shoulder. Yeah, you go back up. No, hold on a second. I gotta get up. Come here, George. Come here. There we go. That's where you're supposed to be.
There we go.
Yeah,
Yep.
there you go.
I can do that with my coat.
Yeah, I don't know if you'd sit up there or not. Oh.
Not. I think she can hear them, and it's freaking her out.
It might, yeah. George is looking. He's been looking at the dog. See, I had to put my phone down when I got George because I only got one hand because of this right here. So it's a little difficulty. It's difficulty.
Yeah.
What? He keeps trying to talk to me. He keeps throwing me off. Oh, here we go again. Yep.
He's like,
Yep. I think he wants the questions. I think he wants to take over.
there. That's George.
Oh.
It's George.
How many birds do we have?
Yeah.
We have about 400 to 500 birds up here at Parrot Mountain.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
we get them from people that donate birds, and we take the ones that are abused. And we also breed birds here, so we try to bring up the species and endangered species. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
You're cutting out again. I couldn't hear you right there.
I said it sounds like they all agree.
Oh, yeah. Can you hear those birds in the background?
Got really
Okay. I didn't think you could hear them, but yeah, they are loud. They are. That's the peacocks.
as many as you have.
How many what?
And when you have that many, I'm sure you hear them everywhere.
Oh, you'll hear them until it gets dark.
Yeah, that's great. So what birds do you have other than parrots?
Well, we have soft-billed toucans. So we got different species of toucans. We have peacocks, pheasants. We have African crown cranes. We have a few others than parrots, but mainly at Parrot Mountain we mostly have parrots.
Makes sense for the name. Otherwise, it would be Bird Mountain. I
Yeah,
guess.
if we get some others, we might have to call it Animal Mountain if we get some tigers or anything like that.
Yeah, definitely. Let's see. So, what is one of the most unusual words or phrases to say?
It'd be between Rio and Rocky Top. We have one bird that's called Rocky Top. Her name's Tennessee, and she sings Rocky Top. So I don't know if anybody's familiar with the song Rocky Top. We actually have a bird that sings it.
That is awesome.
Yeah, and we have another bird called Rio, and he'll sing the song Bad Boys, what you gonna do? So yes, that's a little unusual. Then we have some that say like, what are you doing? They say everything.
That is great. It must be really interesting when you have the ones that can talk. They're just whatever they feel like.
Yeah, and somebody walks by them and they say something, it'll totally throw them off, and it's pretty funny.
That is great. My little furry co-host Pikachu just had parrot. He says he's trying to have a phone conversation with a client, and he'll be in the background just being like, "Hello."
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
It treats everybody, but he does it over what you're trying to say.
Yeah, he tries every day. I get what you're saying. Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah. So I had a notification pop up, and it made my screen go dark.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I see you now.
So the last time that I was, I noticed hawks and things like that circle up above. How do you guys like keep your birds from like the natural wildlife?
Well, that's a good question because the hawks they will eat the parrots because the hawks are bigger than the parrots. But what prevents them from coming down and attacking the birds is they'll start making a really loud squawking noise. And they'll all just start making noises, and it deters them from coming down.
They kind of just like howl at them.
Yeah, exactly, and it's intimidating the hawks because the hawks aren't used to the tropical birds. You know, they're used to like crows and little bitty birds. It throws them off, the tropical birds, and they're all just squawking at them.
Yeah, that was a very strange experience for hawks.
It is, yeah, because they're not used to that. You know, they're like, "What is this down here?"
Well, and then they probably saw a couple and were like, "Oh, we can do this." Doing the noise.
Yep, that's it. Yep.
There's a Fermi down there. Don't go.
That's right. Is that right, George? Yeah. No, that's my phone. You can't have that.
Like, I think it's mine.
You think it is?
So the funny thing I think about Parrot Mountain is everybody about you guys famous at your concession.
Could you repeat it one more time? I couldn't hear you.
So you guys are famous at your concession.
I couldn't hear. I still couldn't hear you.
Sorry. The burgers at your concession stand.
Yes. Yeah, you would never think that, you know, from the bird park, you know, you would think it's just a regular old burger. But my dad, he's created like a special sauce to put on the burgers. They cook the burgers full, well done, and right when they're done, they put a special sauce on it. They put it on both sides, flip it, gets it all over the burger, puts the burger on the bun, and it just makes the burger really juicy. And it's a flavor like you can't really describe it. It's a different taste, but it is a really good burger. And you do hand-cut fries and you drink for a good price. And you would never expect that from a bird park, you know?
Yeah.
Right.
And now you want
Yeah, you'd think it'd be mediocre food, but it's actually really good. Everything's fresh, so that's what's good.
It's a good experience when you come
Well, I can't hear you. You're breaking up. I
up.
don't know if it's a microphone or yeah, you're
Yeah.
breaking up right there.
Hear me better now?
Yeah, I can hear you right there. Yeah.
I was gonna say it definitely makes for a better experience. Got good food.
It does. Yeah.
And then all of the birds. There's just so much to look at when you've got so many of them.
Yep, it does. Like, because people they got like this, like where I'm sitting right now. They have this place where you can sit down and eat, and it's overlooking the mountains. I don't know if you can see it with George. Yeah, George is blocking it. It's a really good view. You can't tell from the phone, but you just have to come and get it from firsthand experience.
Yeah, definitely. And that is an awesome little patio to get to eat and listen to the birds and then see the view as well.
Yep. You can't beat it. You just have to. You just have to come experience yourself. Because, like, I mean, I could talk about it all day, and you could think, yeah, this, but it's if you want to come experience it, you're like, wow, this is totally different than what I thought. That's why I get a lot. People they don't expect this when they come to Parrot Mountain. They expect 50 birds. You can hold a few. They don't expect all this tropical foliage and all this hands-on experience with the birds and the talking ones and the good food. It's something you have to come experience for yourself, and I encourage everybody to do so.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely a very unique thing to do.
It is something different.
Awesome. So what is one thing that you think everybody has to see when they there?
Man, I don't know where to start. I'd say everything. You got the bird garden. There's about 80 to 100 birds in open perches. They'll eat sunflower seeds right out of your guys' hands. I mean, that's a great experience right there alone. Then you have another area. It's called Lori Aviary. You're going to get a cup of nectar, and you're going to walk in this netted area, okay? These birds are going to fly down and just land all over you.
Oh my gosh.
That's something you can't miss. And at the end of the tour, you have the baby bird nursery. You get the babies that are just hatched. You can play with the babies, hold them, pet them. All these experiences, you can't miss them all. You have to do them all. It's awesome.
Definitely. That is definitely awesome. You get the whole set.
You get the whole 9 yards. Yeah, you got to do it all.
Yeah, there's definitely, it's more than just coming to look at
and you gotta come cuddle with George and play with him, right?
Yeah, definitely. Oh,
yeah, he's gonna go wander off.
He's like, I'm done. I had time in the spotlight.
I know, he thinks he's the king. Look at him. Oh.
Awesome. Well, I think that is actually all of the questions that I had for you tonight. So I don't know if there's anything else that you have, anybody needs to know about Parrot Mountain and the garden.
We're open 10 to 6 every day. We're open seasonally through March to November. And yeah, it's a reasonable price, $19.95 per adult, $8.95 per kids. It's not expensive at all. It's well worth the price. Anything else, George?
And you can have George.
Yeah, you gotta come play and cuddle with George. If I had my other arm working right now, I'd show you how sweet he is, but I only got one arm at the moment.
Yeah, no problem. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us. I will go ahead and pop off of here, and I will continue with the other things I have for tonight.
All right. Well, thank you for everybody watching, and it was fun. It was nice talking to you.
Awesome. Nice talking to you too, Jacob and George.
Yep. Say bye, George. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Say bye, George. Bye. Say bye? No. No. He normally says bye. He's a little shy right
now. No.
No? You say bye? No? So he's just staring at you. He's like, whoa.
Like, what are we doing?
What?
He's like, what's
I know,
on?
yeah. Yep. No bye-byes? Okay. No bye-byes.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Jacob, and have a good night.
Yes, ma'am. You too. Have a good one. See ya.
All right. Bye. All right. Awesome, guys. I'm going to just keep holding my phone because it seems to work better than setting it down. So, yeah, that was Jacob with Parrot Mountain. If you guys have never been there before, you definitely want to check it out. And our next giveaway will help you do that. Starting tomorrow, we will be posting our giveaway for 2 adult tickets to Parrot Mountain. And like Jacob said, those are usually $19.95 a piece. So that is 2 adult tickets for Parrot Mountain that we'll be posting our giveaway for tomorrow, and that will run through Sunday when we will announce the winner. So be sure to watch for tomorrow's post in order to get entered into our giveaway, and hopefully somebody watching tonight. Oh, wait, we're posting it tonight. Oh, sorry, everybody. Usually we post our giveaways the next day. We are starting it tonight. So thank you, Daria. So yeah, we're going to be posting our giveaway, so be sure to watch for it to go up and be sure to get it yourself entered, okay? So it's definitely something that you're going to want to check out. Like Jacob said, they have so much going on up there, so much more than just seeing parrots. They have great food, they have the gardens, they have the view of the mountains. It is just a really awesome experience, so you are definitely going to want to win these tickets. And then if you are planning to come to the area, we also have some really awesome deals on accommodations on our website, vacationsyes.myshopify.com. And then we also have deals on Country Tonight tickets. So if you want to go and see the show, be sure to check out our website for that as well. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching tonight. Let me see if Pikachu feels like getting out of her super comfy bed and coming to say goodbye. I don't know. I think she's quite happy. I think she was perfectly fine with George, the parrot, taking over her spot tonight. Do you want to say bye? No? Okay, this is her goodbye. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Christina with Vacations Yes. We bring you guys the best of the Smokies in Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Sevierville, everything around there. So be sure to tune in next Tuesday when we are back live again, and be sure to watch tonight for the ticket giveaway for the Parrot Mountain ticket for 2 adults. So there's so much going on that you don't want to miss out on, guys. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Have a great night, guys. Bye. I guess I'll read a couple. Tammy says, have a good night. Bye, Tammy. Thanks so much for watching. Let me see if I missed any other comments before I sign off. Just a bunch of thumbs ups and smiley faces and waves. Got Lisa and Tammy and Daria, so many. Thanks guys so much for watching tonight. All right, have a great night and we'll see you next week. Bye.